Today, we'll take you to the largest sand island in the world, stretching over 120 km in length. Unforgettable driving experience. Breathtaking nature. Welcome to Fraser Island.
What you doing?
Hey, do you just leave it like that? Like forever or?
No, once the air stops, I just take them off and screw the cap back on.
Shit! And we just swapped our cars for this beauty.
Our car is two-wheel drive, it can't go.
So we sold Ñoquita and we bought this.
We would have to sell 10 Ñoquitas to get this.
This is Ben, this is our mate. Ben, this is Ben, this is our mate. He's gonna be with us for 2 days. Two days. I don't know how you're gonna make it through though. Time to get aboard. There are two ways of how to get on the island. First one is from Harvey Bay, and the second one is from Rainbow Beach, which is the one we took. As always, we did make sure that we stayed hydrated. Weather was looking good, everyone was vibing, and here we are already arriving to our first stop, Central Station.
Got a map.
Oh my god.
Well, I see lots of sand and some pub and resort and, and that's it.
I'm just enjoying this time because finally I don't have to drive after 7 months. Just doing beers and enjoying this ride. Thanks, Ben.
No worries.
I love you for that. He's a good guy. This is crazy, dude. Just look at that. True.
So this is one way.
What the heck?
Oh, okay.
Almost dropped it now, guys, just so you know. Central Station. I guess there's not much to see here, guys, but we had to show everyone because it's Central Station, right? Ben's like laughing at me back there. He's not used to the camera, so that's alright, he'll get used to it. If I didn't show you all this, then, you know, you have to, even though it's kind of boring.
Yeah.
Can we actually walk in? So in that one we cannot go. There's no access to that building. What about this one?
Locked.
Look, he loves his readings. They had to build everything. Every single road you see here, that's been built. It wasn't here like just and it's here.
Yeah, they had to bring horses and like pull all these trees out so they have like tracks and roads and yeah, crazy.
Crazy stuff, man. Alright, Katie, you can go now.
First, keep your distance. Don't go too close. You never show your back to the dingo. You always have to stay in front of it. Don't run. And
Stand your ground.
Walk in groups as well.
Where's Ben? I think Ben's alone. Mate, where is he? You don't fucking walk alone, alright? Mate, that is not safe. We have to stay in groups, guys. Thanks, Katie, for
Yeah, thanks for explanation.
Thank you so
wanted
much.
to say.
We appreciate it. Imagine if you just tried and die.
Taste test.
Yeah, I need to show how clear is the water.
Not that cold?
No, it's not cold.
That's surprising, and it's in the shade.
Look how clean is it.
Yeah. And the magic mushrooms as well.
Oh my god, we'll have some good night tonight.
Yeah, let's go for a mushroom hunt then.
Instead of mushroom hunt, we went to the most visited natural site on the island, Lake Mckenzie. The sand here is pure white silica and is not only beautiful to look at, but feels beautifully soft to walk on. The blues and greens of the lake are endlessly fascinating. So we just finished this beautiful day on the beach, and now, Katie, what are you cooking?
I don't really know. I don't have any like normal water. That's the problem. So I can't make spaghetti.
No normal water, but Ben's ready. It's all good. We've got. That's what we're having. Katie, just cook for yourself.
Okay.
Thank you, Ben, for taking us out. That's the truth. Truthful friend, you know.
Cheers.
Say the more we drink special amber, special amber, special amber.
Fucking, that's proper sausage. Trust me. No water, no worries. So yeah, that's how we eating, how we cooking, and enjoying. What's the next stop?
Probably accommodation now.
Oh, we're going to see our hotel. Oh, beautiful.
My friend is your friend. Oh, we laugh together, and the happier we shall be. Say the more we born, the cali, the cali, the cali. Say the more we born, the cali, and the jollier we shall be. 'Cause your brethren is my brethren, my sister is your sister. Oh, we born the cali, and the happier we shall be.
And let's look at that bathroom directly across that hand.
Holy! Look at that. Who's making the coffee, eh? I have to change lenses because so I can see the whole room. Wow. Huge, guys. I can't even fit it in one angle. Huge room.
Huge room.
And that's me bed. We've got some beautiful view. Beautiful view. And no toilets or kitchen. But that's alright. We'll survive, Ben. Don't worry. No need to worry, mate.
Go get across the hall, mate.
This one.
Okay.
Oh, that's alright. That's all we need.
Good shit. Hello, everybody. I'm Dave. And this is Kate. Where are you living, mate?
I'm getting away from you.
Hey, watch out. Watch out for dingoes, mate. And of course, I forgot to show you. Beautiful fridge. And Ben's out there again. I don't know, what is he doing? Oh, he's enjoying the views. Ben's enjoying his views, man. Katie,
Yeah.
how do you like it? Out of 10?
8.
8 out of 10. It was a beautiful night last night. As you guys can see, Ben's been looking in the map all day yesterday, so I'm pretty sure he planned the whole trip for today. So let's see what he got ready for us. Hey, look at Ben waiting. Always ready, eh? Thanks, buddy. Feel like he could be my best friend. The Maheno is probably the most photoed shipwreck in Australia. Maheno was an ocean liner crossing between New Zealand and Australia from 1905 until 1935. It was also used as a ship by the New Zealand naval forces during World War I. In 1935, she and her sister ship, the Una, were sold to Japan for scrap. The rudders of the boats were removed and they were being towed to Japan. When they reached Queensland waters, a cyclonic storm snapped the tow chain and the Maheno drifted helplessly onto Fraser Island's ocean beach. What's cooking?
Pancakes. Our usual.
Of course, buttermilk pancake. Damn. Wow, dude. Have you ever had like better breakfast than this, mate?
It's up there.
It's up there. Fuck. Yeah, man.
It's pretty.
So this looks steep. he didn't make it. Alright, we'll try it then. Let's go, bro! Get it! Yeah! The champagne pools are one of the most unique natural attractions on Fraser Island. With each wave, the pools are renewed with water, creating a jacuzzi-like feeling. While the champagne waters cause delight with each wave, visitors should keep an eye on large waves. The champagne pools are the best way to experience swimming in ocean water while on Fraser Island, as swimming in the surrounding water is not allowed due to strong currents, marine stringers, and healthy shark population. Look at you!
It's my new hair accessory. I can't get it out.
Ooh. How was it, Kate?
It was great. It was just great. Now I'm a little bit cold, but it's gonna be alright.
Ben, did you like the champagne pools?
Beautiful, mate.
Everybody happy? That's how it's supposed to be. And now it's lunchtime.
Oh no.
And as we're heading back home, of course, some amateur.
The tide's up too, eh? That's not good.
Are we gonna have them all?
Damn, bruh.
It's supposed to be high tide at like after 5 or something.
High tide, eh? Look at the water, how close it is to us compared to before. This is kind of insane. Luckily, we made it safely to the hotel. Ah, yeah, we cannot see anything now. Alright, guys. Our second day on the island was amazing, and we were looking forward to our last day on the island. Good morning, sir.
Too early for your shit.
What?
Day 3 looks promising. What happens here is you're supposed to just lay on the water and float all the way down where it ends at the sea. So we'll see if it actually works. If you guys have any floaties, you just bring them here and lay on it, open a beer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah?
It's
Damn, bro.
oh, it's a bit fresh.
If you guys have your floaties, whatever it is, you know, all these flamingos or whatever, just take it out here and enjoy, man, because yeah, it's pretty good fun. We don't have any of that stuff, unfortunately, so we'll just have to swim and try to float when possible, and that's about it. So yeah, let's do it. I'm back. That was our last stop What was your favorite, Kate?
I think the champagne pool was pretty good. And also this creek was amazing too. Lake Mckenzie was nice. Everything was nice. Everything we done.
It's hard to pick one favorite, but yeah, we did what we wanted to do. The weather was good to us. Thank you, Ben, for taking us out. For driving us all 3 days, taking good care of us. We appreciate it, mate. And yeah, we'll just end it here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Whoop! Fuck! It never ends. Bumpy roads. Unique experience. Fraser Island. If you want to go, I can just highly recommend it because it's just something else.
Say the more we drink special lamba, special lamba, special lamba. More we drink special lamba, and the happier we shall be.